In the last class, if you remember, we were doing some questions from the chapter perimeter and area. Okay.
Yes.
And I also told you to memorize the tables once
Yeah.
again. Have you
Yes.
done that?
Some of it.
Some of it? Okay. So start reading the table from 14 till 20.
14. Oh, okay.
Hmm.
14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 50, 56, 14, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14
Okay.
eights are 112,
Hmm.
14 nines are 126, and 14 tens are 140.
Very good. Okay, you can skip for 15. Okay. Okay. By the way, to answer it to me, 15 nines are how much?
15 nines are 135.
Good. 15 sevens are
15 sevens are 100 and 105.
105, no? Good. Okay. Suppose if I were to multiply 15 with 11, so that will give you how much?
175.
15 multiplied by 11, no.
Oh, by 11, then
160.
165.
Okay. 15 multiplied by 15.
Uh, is it what is it? 300 and 300.
No, no. That will be 225.
225. Oh,
1 second.
okay.
Okay, see. So we were doing some questions from perimeter and area in the last class. Today also we'll be doing some questions. As you know, right now I'm not going to start any
Mm,
new chapter. Okay.
yeah.
After some time we'll be starting a new chapter. All right. So let's start with some easier questions. All right.
Okay.
Where are others? 1 second. Let me drop reminder for others also. 1 second.
Okay.
Remind others. All right. Yeah. So look at the first question. If the perimeter of a square is 16 meter, then its area is how much?
So one side equals to 4.
Hmm.
So 4 multiplied by 4. So it will
Mhm.
be 16, right?
16 square centimeter. That is correct. Good. The area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Okay. If the breadth is 6 centimeter, then its length is
4 meters, centimeters.
look again. Look carefully. Question says if the area of rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Okay. So area of a rectangle means length into breadth is given as 20 square
Yes,
centimeter.
personally.
Now it says that if the breadth is 6 centimeter, what is the length? Meaning that breadth is 6 centimeter. So what will be the length? Getting it?
Um, yeah.
So we are going to divide it now. Length is going to be 20 divided by 6. And that's how much?
1 second, I'll get my rough book.
Okay. You can get an answer in fraction or either in decimal.
Yeah, both.
Mm-hmm. By the way, Khajana, whenever you sit to attend the class, keep everything with you. Keep everything with yourself, whether it be your notebook, rough book, whatever you need.
Oh, okay. Okay. So 20 divided by 6 is 6, 26, 12, 18, 24. So 3.
3 point something you will be getting in decimal. In terms of
Yeah.
decimal, you will get 3 point something. Like to be very specific, that's going to be 6 threes are 18. Okay, 20 minus 18, that is 2 here. So you put a decimal. So again,
Point.
you'll be getting 3. So this will keep on repeating like
Yeah.
3.333 like that. Okay, so
Yeah.
either your answer you can get it in terms of 3.3, or either you can convert that into simplest form. So that's going to be The HCF of 20 and 6 is 2. So both
2.
of them will be divided by 2. That will be 10 upon 3. Right? So you can write down the answer
Yeah.
as 10 upon 3 centimeter or 6 upon,
6.3.
1 second. It is correct. 3.3. 3.3 centimeter. Okay.
Okay.
You can skip third question. Okay. It's a ratio based question. So that is not there in the sixth class. So,
Okay.
hmm. Okay, we can try
Mm.
to do the fourth question, that what will happen to the area of a square if its side is tripled. Question
Oh,
is a bit interesting question actually. It says that what will happen to the area of the square. Okay, suppose that this is the length of the side. Suppose we call this as length L. That is length L.
um,
So question says that what will happen to the area of this square if its side is tripled, meaning that what will happen if this
mm,
becomes 3L.
3L. So
Right.
it should be like a bigger form of itself.
Exactly, obviously, but what will be it exactly? So you
Mhm.
calculate the area of this square and you calculate the area of this square. So area is L into L now. So that is L
Yeah.
square, right? And
Yes.
here 3L into 3L means how much? 9
It's it should be 9L.
9L square.
Yeah.
No, you're multiplying
Yeah.
the unit will be multiplied also, so that will be 9L square. Here it was
Oh,
L square, here it is now 9L square. So area is getting how much bigger?
it is getting like I don't know how to like describe it.
It's basically getting 9 times bigger, no? The
Oh.
area is getting 9 times bigger, no?
Uh-huh.
1 second. Basically what you can do, if you have to find it out like how much bigger this square has now become, you can divide the area of this square. Okay, now if you have to
Yeah.
find out, so area of big square divided by area of the smaller square, right? So that's going to be
Uh-huh.
9L square divided by L square. Okay, can we cancel L square and L square? We can
Yes.
cancel it. Same values written in numerator and denominator can be easily cancelled.
Uh,
Keep it in mind. Okay. So thereby it
okay.
is 9 now. So it is 9 times.
9.
So area
Huh. Oh,
becomes, understand it now. So area
okay. Yeah.
becomes,
It becomes 9 times larger than the smaller square in terms
exactly.
of area.
Very good. Okay. No? So
Okay.
you can get such type of questions also, and you get to see such type of questions particularly in exams like in Olympiad exams. Understanding it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
in such type of exams you will get such questions. Okay. Okay, similar question is also given here. Um,
Yeah.
you may skip question number 5. Look at question number 6.
Uh,
Hmm.
um,
If length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, then its area will be what? Uh,
huh.
You
This
understanding
one's
it?
a
The question? No?
no. I don't understand.
What happened to this? 1 second.
Oh, okay.
Am I not visible?
Now
Yeah.
you are.
Huh. So what I'm saying that if length and breadth of a rectangle are double, you understand now becomes twice.
Yeah.
So
Twice as
suppose
large.
earlier this was the length L, and this is the breadth B.
Yes.
So
B.
now what
Okay.
is happening? Let me erase this first. 1 second. See. So what is happening? The
Mm.
length is getting doubled, right?
Yes.
And breadth
And the
is
breadth.
also getting doubled. So the size of the rectangle is also going to become big.
Yes.
Let's say like I have drawn it a little too big, but try to understand. So that is 2L now,
Mm.
and that is
Yes.
2B now.
To be. Yes.
Okay, double of L will be like what? L plus L doubling. You're
Equals
doubling it.
L squared.
No, you're not multiplying. You're adding it now, so that will be 2L.
Adding.
Breadth is also becoming double, so we added to itself. So B plus B meaning 2B now,
Uh, to be.
right? Like double of 2 is what? So double of 2 is 2 plus 2, 4.
Yes.
like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
So, for
Okay,
example, 2b plus 2b equals 4b.
very good, like that.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Hmm. So question is saying that if length and breadth are double, so what will be the new area? What will happen to the area? So one thing is obvious, area will become bigger, but how much bigger will it be? Will it be, let me give you some options. Suppose, will it be 2 times big? Will it be 4 times big? Or will it be 6 times big? Or will it be 8 times big? Suppose these options were given to you.
Okay.
Just moments ago in the previous question, what you had done, you had calculated the area of both the squares now.
Both. Yes.
Similarly, here you will, since question is asking about area only now,
Yeah. It's
right?
option B.
Option number B. Very good. It's correct indeed. So area here is L into B. So LB, right? But here it is going to be 2L into 2B. 2L into 2B. So 2 into 2, 4. L into B, LB. So here it is getting
Yeah.
4 times now. Here it was only LB. Option B.
Yes. Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Huh. Now suppose if each side of a square is halved, then its area will be what?
It will be smaller.
It will be smaller, but how much? Let us understand that. So once again, draw a
Okay.
diagram. Say that this is L and that is also L because all the sides are same. So let's represent it
Hmm.
with L. Okay. Now what is
Okay.
happening? L is becoming
Uh,
half now. L becomes
yeah.
half, meaning you're dividing it by 2. So
2.
that means
Yes.
L upon 2 now.
Yes.
Yes or no? So this is L upon 2. That is also L upon 2. Just like these two. Okay. So question was
Uh-huh.
asking about area. So you find the area of this and you find the area of this. Tell me. the,
Um,
the
the
area of the
area of this should be 4. L4.
L4. No. You're confusing between the formula of perimeter and area. What's the formula to calculate the area of a square? Tell me.
L into L.
Hmm? So L into L means what? L is square, no? Simply.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
See, always keep in mind, like suppose if numbers are given 2 into 2. So that becomes 2 square or it is same as 4,
Yeah.
right? So suppose in
Yes.
place of numbers, if alphabets are given, suppose we have A multiplied with A. So that is going to be A square.
A squared. Yes.
Just like L into L is going to be L square. Okay.
Oh.
Now here we are having L upon 2 multiplied with L upon 2. Okay. So we
Hmm.
will multiply the numerator and then we will multiply the denominators, right? Getting it
Yes.
now? So one second, let me
L4.
create some space here. Not L4. Hold on. See. L into L is how much? L square, no?
L squared.
And 2 into 2?
4.
Huh? So L square upon 4, right? So what we're
Yes.
seeing here, like can I write L square upon 4 as 1 upon 4 into L square also? Can I write
Yeah.
it like
It
that?
can be.
We can
Yes.
do now because the one is hidden here. So I have basically taken it out and written in the following manner. So earlier it was L square.
Okay.
Now it is becoming 1/4 of L square. L
Oh,
is,
okay.
so
I
L
thought
square
it
was,
was L4. I
no,
so I
no,
got confused.
no issues. So earlier the area was L square, but now it is getting 1/4 of L square. So meaning that area is getting 1/4. Understood
Huh.
that? It is
Yeah,
becoming
I
1/4.
understood.
Okay, no? So then its area will be 1/4. Okay. So normally we have done questions, a different type of questions we have done from the NCERT book. So these were the questions that helps us to think in a different way, right now?
Yeah.
All right. Once again, let me number the questions here. Question number 1, that's 2, 3. Read the first question.
Cost of a fencing a square field is rupees 1,200. If the cost of fencing per meter is rupees 300, find the area of the square field.
It's 30, by the way. See,
Oh, 30.
so far
Okay.
what we have been doing, we have calculating the cost. Right now, area or perimeter was given and rate was given. You were required to find the cost. But here you are saying you are required to find the area of the square field. It's a different type of question,
Yeah, it's a different.
right?
Yes.
Okay, but you
Yeah.
know the formula. What is the formula to calculate the cost? Tell me.
Um, it is in this one I'm a bit lost. Like I
You
forgot the
shouldn't be. You
formulas.
shouldn't be lost in this, no. Cost equals to area into rate, no.
Oh, area into rate.
Area
I
into
thought it
rate.
was area plus rate.
No, no,
Okay. Oh, I understand now.
no. It's not like that. Okay. So that is area into rate. Please memorize these formulas. No, you should have memorized it already. Hmm?
Okay, I'll write it down.
Okay. For how many hours are you doing self study at home? Tell me.
Self study, but like
Hmm?
usually when I'm preparing for exams,
Hmm.
my father tells me take some questions from the revision sheet and then solve it.
Okay, that's good. But I'm not asking when the exams are near. On a regular basis, like
Mm.
even when you don't have exams, for how many hours do you study?
That around like usually around like half an hour, 30
Half an
minutes,
hour. Oh,
sometimes.
no, no. This is very bad. Okay, no. You are if you are going to only study for half an hours, you are not going to see any significant improvement. Then, Kaja, I'm afraid that
Mm.
this won't help you in fetching good marks in the exam, and you won't be able to understand the concepts unless you don't do sufficient number of questions at home. Okay, na?
Okay.
That's why I keep highlighting this thing that you need to be solving more number of questions. Also, you need to increase your self study time from just 30 minutes to at least 2 hours.
Two
Okay,
hours. Okay.
at least it has to be 2 hours. Okay, right now it will be difficult to increase it to 2 hours. So try to increase it by 10 minutes every day. Okay, na? Try to
Okay.
increase it by 10 minutes every day.
Okay.
Okay, see here. Because why I'm saying it now, like this formula, we have completed the chapter and right now we're doing the revision. So this formula should
Mm.
all already be like you should have memorized it already. Anyways, see. So formula for calculation of cost is equal to area upon rate. All right. So
Okay.
suppose if cost is given and rate is given, then we have to find the area.
Yeah.
This is given and this is given. So we will make some changes in the formula. So we will write area on this side because we need to find the area, and that is
Yes.
now going to be cost divided by rate.
Okay. So we have to
Understood that?
divide. We have to divide 1,000 to
Hmm.
12,000 with 30.
That is not 12,000, but that's 1200.
1,200. 1,200. Okay.
1200 divided by 30. Okay, so tell me the answer.
1 second.
Hmm.
30 and 1,200. So 30, 60, 120. So 3, 120, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0. So it should be 30. The area is 30.
How are you getting 30? Please repeat again. What did you
Uh,
do?
what do you say? I of course added the 3 and then I added a 0 to and then I subtracted 0 from 0 which I got 0. That's usually like what my what I do. Like
Okay, see here. How much is the cost?
cost is
1200.
1,230.
Rate is 30. Okay. Now to make things simple, you can cancel the same number of zeros in the numerator and denominator. Okay. So they both have one zero in common. So this
Yes.
zero cancel. Now it is reduced to 120 upon 3. Right? So you divide
Yes.
120 by 3 and that you'll be getting as 40.
40.
Huh? So it will be 40 square unit now. How are you getting 30?
Um. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Khaja, see, these are some basic operations. All right, no? So basic calculation should be accurate actually, particularly the ones which are simple. If it was a very big number, so we can expect some error, but it is a simple number. Okay, anyways, be careful next time and let's try to avoid such mistakes.
Okay.
Okay. Second question says that, by the way,
Yeah.
see, when you will increase your self study, time from 30 minutes now to at least 2 hours. So then you won't face these kind of problems anymore. Understanding it? These
Yes.
kind of small errors that you do, so you won't be doing that anymore once you increase your self study hour. Understanding that? Right now
Yes.
you are in sixth grade. Okay, now after a few months you'll be in the seventh grade. So there are so many
Uh,
newer things that you will have to study in seventh grade. The level of mathematics is also going to go up, right? As you
yes.
go to higher grades, it's going to go up. So by just studying for 30 minutes, you will find it difficult to cope up with the level of maths that's going to be in the seventh grade, eighth grade, ninth or tenth grade, or say if you were to choose it in 11th and 12th grade also. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow what you're going to do, you'll be studying for at least 35 to 40 minutes. All right.
Okay.
Suppose if you were to make a study plan of, let's say,
Uh,
30 days.
but usually on Fridays our family is busy because
Huh,
it's
like
the.
I get that. I get that.
Oh, okay.
Suppose if we were to take 25 days only out of it. Okay, suppose we have taken 25 days only. All right. I'm not even taking 26, I'm taking only 25 days. Suppose
Okay.
this is the first day of the month. Suppose. All right. Let's say this is
Okay.
1st of November. Suppose. Let's assume. So today, if you have studied for 30 minutes, let's say. Next day, you study for 35 minutes. Right? Remember, you started on
Okay.
1st of November. Next, you are studying for 35 minutes. Then next day, you again extended it to 40 minutes. So
Then 45. Then
45.
1 hour.
So on the 25th day, what you will find that you had you're now studying for extra 125 minutes now. So that is
Oh, so
30
that's
minutes. Uh-huh. 30
so
plus
that's like
125 is how much? Hmm.
so it's like around 2 hours and 5 minutes.
No, no, not like that. Minute, to convert minute into hour, we have to divide it by 60,
Yes, 60.
right? Okay.
Yes.
So 60, and here we have 155, 62 is a 120, and thereby you are having 35. Okay. We
Right.
will put a
Okay.
decimal here, right? Then we are going to take
Yes.
60 into 5. So roughly that is going to be 2.5 hours, right?
Yes.
So on the 25th day, meaning by the end of the month, you'd be now studying for 2.5 hours. Getting how
Okay.
it is going to work?
Yeah.
Understood that? Okay, so
Yes.
this technique is really effective and you can implement it in your studies. Okay, so
Okay.
just try to increase slightly. I'm not saying that right from tomorrow you start studying for 2 hours. No, just increase it by 5 minutes. Okay, but
Oh,
take a pledge that once I increase to 35 minutes, I'm not going to go back to studying for just 30 minutes. I'm going to extend it further to studying for 40 minutes. Okay,
okay.
once you have achieved the target of 40 minutes, then you make a pledge that I'm not going back to 35 minutes. I'm going to move ahead and go to 45 minutes, like that. Okay.
No, okay.
Okay, hope this will be helpful for you.
Okay. Inshallah, I'll try it.
Yeah, inshallah. All right. So, which question we were going to do? Second
Second.
question. So, the question here says that which playground has bigger area? One that measures 50 meter by 40 meter, or another that measures 75 meter by 20 meter? So, this one is simpler. Try to do it
Find out the areas of them
of
both
both
and compare.
and
Compare.
compare it exactly.
Okay. So like 50 is the length and 40 is the breadth and
Hmm.
75 is the. Oh, okay. Okay.
It's like that.
Okay. 50 and 40. For the first one, 50 and 40, is it 180 meters, square meters?
Oh, we are required to find the area. What's the formula to calculate area of rectangle?
Length by breadth.
Length multiplied by breadth, no? Right? Clearly,
Yeah.
since the length and breadth are different, so it's obviously a rectangle. So area of this rectangle shape will be 50 into 40, right?
Yes.
And for this, it's going to be 75 into 20. So you multiply them and you compare it then.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So
You know how you can multiply it
Uh,
in short?
yeah, we learned this in fifth grade.
Huh.
5 multiplied by 4 and then add the remaining zeros. So
Exactly.
it's
5 4 to
2000.
20. 2000. Good. And here you can simply multiply 75 by 2
Yes.
and then put the remaining 0. Do it.
Okay. 70. 150.
150 and put the 0 also.
1500. So
So clearly
the first one.
the first one has more area. Third question says find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175-meter and breadth 50-meter. Okay, length
So
and
it's
breadth is
basically
given.
like the first question.
Haha. So it's a different, not the same to the first one, but the same formula
Yeah.
you are going to use. That is cost equals to rate into area, right now.
Yeah.
And rate is how much? Rupees
Rupees
15
15.
per meter, right?
Yes.
So we have to find the cost. No, no, it's different than the first question. It's saying cost of
Yeah.
fencing, no, meaning that you're going to calculate the perimeter first.
Yeah,
Understood it?
perimeters.
Because
Uh,
fencing has to be done on the boundary, no, and the length of the
yeah.
boundary basically means perimeter.
Perimeter. Yes.
Good.
Mm. Mm. So we have to uh find the perimeter first and then that.
Multiplied with rate.
Okay. One second.
What's the formula we are using here? Cost equals to
Cost equals to area multiplied by no perimeter and what was it? Rate.
multiplied by rate. Okay, now it depends. If in the question area was given, if in the question area was given, I would have written area. I would have taken the area formula here. But here it's talking about perimeter, so we need to multiply perimeter with the rate now. Understood it?
Oh,
The
okay.
question says that suppose if you have to do a fencing of just 15 of just
Yeah.
1 meter, so it will
Oh,
cost you rupees 15, right?
yeah.
And if you have to do the fencing around the entire boundary of the rectangular, what is it? Park, no, rectangular park. So we have to
Oh,
multiply the 15 with the total boundary of this rectangular
50.
park.
Yeah. Yeah.
Total boundary means perimeter, not area, no? Total boundary means perimeter, no? The definition of
Yeah.
perimeter is that
It's
it's the
the
length of the boundary.
yeah.
Okay, do it.
Okay. So finding the perimeter. Oh, okay, okay. I understand. So three. The perimeter is 456 meters.
400 and how much?
56.
56. Look here, the length is 175-meter and breadth is 50-meter.
Hmm.
Formula which you are going to be using is twice of length plus breadth,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
175 plus 50 you are going to add it over here. So 175 plus 50 is going to be how much? So
175 and 50, right?
yes, the perimeter which you're telling me it is not
It's
correct.
so it's 225.
225, no?
Yeah.
Right? So 2 into 175 plus 50, that is 225. So
225.
225 multiplied by 2 is how much? 400 and
440. No.
think
Um.
of 225 in terms of 225. Think of it like that. Understanding it?
No.
In your mind, try to visualize it in the following manner that you are basically trying to multiplied with 225, and you are going to add it, meaning that 2 2 multiplied with 200, okay,
So,
that is
oh,
400,
400.
and 2 multiplied with 25, that is 50.
50.
So that is, sorry,
Four,
only two zeros, so that is 450.
okay, I understand.
So you can split this number into terms of like hundreds, or in terms of tens digit, units digit, like that, and you can multiply them
Yes.
separately to get the answer. So perimeter have been found now. Now rate is given, so you multiply it with the rate now.
450 multiplied by 15.
Exactly, 450 multiplied by 15.
450, 15 multiply. So, so 5 that means 5. 5 is the 20, 20, so 20, 0, 5, add. Is it 4,750?
No, no. Can you show it to me where you have done the multiplication?
1 second.
Show it to me so I can spot the error. I can see. I want to see like what mistake you are doing there.
1 second.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yeah.
it's showing an error when I'm trying to open.
1 second.
Audio video.
Yeah.
So it's not letting me. Shows an error. Like camera is having some functional errors.
Oh. Okay. Anyways, see how like whatever method you have used to multiply it is incorrect. See, that's 450 multiplied by 15. It should be
Oh,
giving you
yeah.
more than 6,000. It should be giving you more than 6,000. Okay, let's see how. So just multiply 45 with 15, then you will later on put the 0. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
5 5 to 25, 5 you carry in
25.
hand 2, right? 5
Yes.
4 so 20, 20 plus 2, that is
22.
20, 22 here. 20, 225. You leave a space here, 1 5 so 5, 1 4 so 4. So that is
Yeah.
5, 5 plus 2 7, 6 4 plus 2
7,
6.
8, 6.
6 no. So 6 7 5, and you put the 0, 6,750.
Oh,
Okay na?
okay.
Okay, so the answer will be 6,750 for this question.
750.
Cost
Okay.
is, tell me, by looking at this, tell me where did you did the mistake here?
Oh, 1 second. Oh no, I made a major mistake when I was multiplying. I accidentally wrote 450 multiplied by 5. I didn't
Oh,
notice there was a 15.
no, like as I said now, whenever you solve any question, first you have to write down whatever is given in the question, na?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. All right. Now you move to this question. One, two, three. Question number 4. Try to solve
Oh.
it. Says that what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 22 centimeter. Suppose that this is some photograph. All right, let us say that this is some photograph. Okay, and basically what needs to be done is we need to frame it with the wood.
So it's
Okay,
like find.
wooden strip. So you need to find the length of the what it is saying for the. What is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 and 22 centimeter? So that is say is equal to 32 centimeter.
And 22 centimeter.
22 centimeter is the breadth. So what will be the length of this? Say that this is the wooden strip required here.
We add a 32 and 24 and multiply by 2.
Yeah, basically we're going to find the perimeter here. So use the
Perimeter.
formula and calculate it quickly.
It's so it is 54. 54 multiplied by 2 equals 54 multiplied by 2. 4
Mhm.
2 is 8. 5 is 10. 108.
108. Very good. So that is 108 centimeter. Correct. Fifth question, the cost of fencing a square field at rupees 35 per meter is rupees 4,480. Find the length of each side of the field.
No, this
Okay.
one's a bit difficult
Not
for me.
difficult, basically different you can say, but not difficult.
Uh-huh.
All right. There's a square field like that. What is given in the question? Tell me. We are doing question number
5.
5. Okay. In question number 5, rate is given rupees
Uh,
35.
rupees 35.
Okay. And cost is how much?
Cost is 4,480.
What you need to find?
The total length of each side.
Length of each side of the field. Okay. So it is saying that cost of fencing is given, right? If
Yeah,
the
cost.
cost of fencing. So we question is basically talking about the perimeter here. It is referring to the perimeter, right? So fencing
Yes.
has to be done. All right. Cost and rate is given. Now you remember, if you were
Yeah.
to find, like if you manage to find the perimeter, so from the perimeter can't you find the length?
Yeah. Length also.
We can find it now. So first you
Yeah.
find the perimeter. You know the formula to be used here. What's
Yes.
what formula do we use here? Tell me.
For finding the perimeter, right?
Uh-huh. Like
Uh,
first tell me the cost formula. From there we can derive it. Cost
it's
equals to.
cost equals rate multiplied by
Hmm,
uh perimeter.
hmm. So or we can write perimeter multiplied by rate. That looks more better to read. Okay,
Yeah.
cost equals to perimeter into rate. Okay, we need to find perimeter. So can we do some changes in the formula and we write perimeter equals to cost upon rate, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, we can do that. Okay, so now we are going to put the value of cost and rate. You divide them to find the perimeter. Once you find the perimeter, okay, whatever you find the perimeter, you will write it here. For the formula to calculate perimeter of a square is 4 into side.
Go into side. Yes.
Okay, na? So then what you're going to do, whatever value you're going to get here, you're going to divide that with 4. So that will give you answer. So find the perimeter. You divide 4,480 with 35. Divide it.
Okay. 35.
Take your time. Do not hurry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
嗯 um I'm finding like what number we have to subtract from 448. It's taking some time. Mm,
Why you are going to subtract?
no, like the first step in division. I mean,
Okay. So there you're finding it confusing.
yeah, I don't know what to divide with 448.
First, you're going to take 35 once or 35 here. You're going to take first two digits 44 now. You're going to consider these two digits 35 once or 35.
Oh,
You're going to write 35 below 44.
oh, okay. 98 no. Um,
Mm-hmm.
this
Then. 98 is it divisible? Like
Um,
35 twos or 70, 35
no, it's
threes or
not divisible.
105. So we will take 35 twos or 70, right? So
Okay.
continue with 2, 35 twos or 70, and subtract 70 from 98.
Okay. I'm getting 28.
20.
So eight,
Continue. So, so you're
and then
getting
it will
20.
become 280 with the
Okay.
remaining zero.
Yeah. So 280 can it be divided by 35? See, 35 6 are how much? Multiply 35 by 6 to see if it is close to 280, or multiplied by 7, then multiplied by
Yeah.
8 or 9. See which number gives you 280, or if it even gives you or not. Okay.
Okay. Maybe 7. We can use 7. 35 multiplied by 7 equals to 45.
No, it is not close to 280, no.
So we
35,
have to do.
the
So
number you're getting there is 280, right? 35 sevens are how much?
35 sounds are 245.
245, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
245.
Try 35 eights, 35 multiplied by 8.
Okay,
Try that.
30,
Hmm.
35 multiplied by 8. 5 is a 40. 3 it's a 20. 270 I'm getting.
No. 35 multiplied by 8 will obviously give you 280 now. 8 fives are 40, so that is 0. You carry 4 in hand. 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 4, 280 now.
280. Oh, okay. I
Mhm.
made a mistake.
Okay. So thereby it is going to be how much? 128,
128.
right now. So right now you have
Mm.
only calculated the perimeter. Perimeter, that is 128 meter, no? Meter. So
Yes.
perimeter is equal to 128 here. Okay. Perimeter's formula for square is 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 128. Now
128.
side is going to be 128 divided by 4. Now you divide 128 by 4 and tell me the answer.
Okay, 4 to 128. Okay, 4
Hmm.
to 3. 12 subtract 8 to 8 minus 8 equals 0. 32.
32, very good. Okay. So was it a very difficult question?
No.
No.
It
Right?
was, yeah.
Okay. Because once we know the step and we do the calculation properly, so we will get the right answer. All right, no?
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. Then look at question number 6. It says if the perimeter of a, we have missed any question? No. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 100 centimeter and its length is 32 meter, then find the length of the rectangle. Okay.
I think it's
Oh,
100
breadth. One
centimeters.
second. Perimeter is 100 centimeter and length is 32 meter. Then find the breadth of the rectangle it should have been, no? Right?
Yeah, there's a mistake.
Uh, then find the breadth.
So it should be 100 divided by 32, if I'm correct.
No, 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 no. Here perimeter is given. Perimeter is given. You cannot divide here to get the, that is done in case when area is given, no? One second, let me
Uh,
remind you about that. Hold on. Now you remember if suppose area based questions were given where area is equal to length into breadth. Suppose
yes.
area is given, length is given, and you need to find out breadth. So breadth will be equals to area divided by length now.
Yeah, do
So
I?
in that type
Oh,
of
yeah.
question we used to do that. Here basically what the question says that perimeter is given. So perimeter of rectangle is given as 100 centimeter. Perimeter formula for calculate for rectangle is, what is the formula? Twice of
2 L multiplied by plus B.
hmm, So that is given as 100. Okay. One more thing was given. Length, no? Length was
Yes,
also
length.
given 32 meter. It's meter. One second. Take it as 32 centimeter. Okay. 32 centimeter. So we can put the
Okay.
value of length here now. 32
Yeah,
plus
32
breadth.
plus breadth. Yes, equals 100.
Okay. Now this looks a bit complex right now, huh? So let's make
Yeah.
it simple. This 2 which is written outside the bracket actually is in multiplication with everything that is inside the bracket.
Yeah, yeah. We need to find out everything in the bracket, then multiply by
Uh,
2.
so 2 multiplied by 32, then 2 is also multiplied with b
Yes.
equals to 100. So that is 64 plus 2b equals to
Plus
100.
2b.
Okay, now what do we do? So we are seeing that in 2b there's an alphabet also, right? But 64
Mhm.
is purely a number only. So we will
Yeah.
keep the numbers on one side. I will bring 64
Uh,
to the right side.
the right side.
So but it will be subtracted with it because here it was in addition with 2b. Here it will be in subtraction with 100.
Yeah, should
100
be.
minus 64 is how much?
100 minus 64. 1064. Carry, borrow. See.
Think about it in the different manner. See, try to think like how much should be added to 64 to get 100. How much should I add to 64 so that I get 100?
Oh, should it be 40 something?
No, if you were to add 40, it will be 104. It has to be less than 40.
Wait, 36.
36 exactly. So 2b is equal to 36. Okay, but wait, we still haven't got the answer. So b is now going to be 36 divided by 2
36.
and hence it is 18.
18.
Understood? Huh? So for that question, the
Oh,
breadth is equal to 18.
oh, okay.
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 Okay. We'll be leaving the other question. Like we can do that. It's not that difficult. Question number 8. So what is the perimeter of a square whose area is 225 square centimeter?
Mm,
This is question number 9, by the way. Different question. See,
oh,
it is
okay,
saying
okay.
what is the perimeter of the square whose area is given. So area is given as 225 square centimeter. Okay.
Yes.
Area, as you know, is equal to length into length, right?
Length of length. Yes.
So here 225 is given, right? So
Yeah.
what number must be multiplied with itself to give you 225? So if I were to multiply 14 and 14 now, I'll be getting
Mm.
196. Okay. If
And
suppose I
then
were to multiply it 15 with 15,
15 with
so
then
then that
we
gives
get
me,
225.
so thereby length is equal to 225 here.
225.
But the question is asking me about perimeter.
Perimeter.
What is the formula to find perimeter of a square?
Uh, L plus B.
No.
Oh,
4 into side, no? 4 into side. 4 into its
okay.
length. Length is 225, so you multiply 4 with 225.
Fourth L. Yeah, fourth. Sure.
Multiply it and tell me the answer.
2 to 5 x 4. 5 to the 20. 4 to the 8, 8, 10, 8, 9, 900.
That is 900. Very good. So thereby the perimeter is 900. Okay.
900 square centimeters.
It's perimeter. Perimeter. It will be only
Oh,
in meter.
oh,
Area.
perimeter.
Area is in square meter, square centimeter, or whatever unit is given. Last
Okay.
question is here. Length of a rectangular field is 220 meter. All right. See that length is 220 meter here, while the width is of 130 centimeter. 130 meter only. I mean,
Okay.
if a man runs around this field 3 times, if a man were to start running from here, all right. If a man were to start running from here, and he runs how many rounds? Three
3.
rounds.
So we have to find the perimeter and multiply it with 3. Right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You got it. So find the perimeter first.
Okay. So 25, 225 plus 220.
No, it's 220, 220 and 130.
Oh,
220 and
130.
130.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm. Previous one is a different question.
Okay, I got confused. So it's 350 meters.
Hmm.
350 multiplied by 3.
No, you are skipping an important step. The formula is twice of length plus breadth. You have done it correctly. That's going to be 220 plus 130. I'm sorry.
Okay.
220 plus 130 is 350. But you need to multiply that with 2 also, no?
Oh, okay, okay. 350 multiplied by 2.
Hmm.
So 205 10 3 3 multiplied by 2 6 7 700 um
Uh,
now 700 multiplied by 3.
Exactly.
I'm not sure if my mental calculation is correct, but I'll double check it.
Yeah, okay, check it, check it.
It's 2100. Yeah, I was correct.
Indeed, it is 2100, right? And 3 rounds means that we'll be multiplying it by 3, and hence that is 2100 meter. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, make sure in the exam you don't do this error of writing the perimeter in terms of like square meter or square centimeter. All right, it is
Okay,
always
for
a
the
square. It's
next
always a
term.
meter.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Right now, what is going on in the school?
Uh, Actually, today, last on yesterday was my
Hmm.
last exam, science, and today Thursday was given for my last exam. So school is reopening on Sunday.
On Sunday. Okay, today is Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, and then on Sunday it will be reopening. Okay, okay. So, did the teacher told you like what will be the next chapter that's going to be started in the school?
I'm not sure, but in the syllabus I checked, I think it was perimeter and area because after prime time it will be perimeter and area.
Oh, okay, okay. So we are doing a relevant chapter. Okay.
Yeah,
Good, good. Okay. Because it becomes very important that we do what is relevant for the upcoming exams.
for school.
Also,
Okay.
also one more thing, tell me that in your school, how is the syllabus for the annual term exam decided? Like, will you be getting questions from all the chapters or will it be from 50% of the syllabus?
No, for the final exam, it will be what we've learned in term 2.
Term 2 only, right? Nothing
Yes,
from term 1.
right now after the term 1 exams, it will be PT2. So it's like the first exam is PT1, next is term 2, term 1, then PT2, then term 2. It's like that for in our school.
Okay, so
So
you
right
have
now,
your, so
two
PT2
in
exams
progress.
are coming.
Yeah, we
Oh,
just finished term 1.
okay. So whenever you get your whenever PT2 exams will be starting now, make sure you let me know about it and you let me about the syllabus of that also.
Okay.
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 Hmm. Okay. There were a few more questions here, right? So here
Hmm.
you need to find the area of this given figure. So the
Okay.
dimension is given here. Okay. Some of the measurement of the sides are missing here. So you need to calculate that first, and then you will be able to find the answer. Even options are also given here.
Yeah.
So this side is 2 centimeter 10. That's 9.
10,
That's 6.
9,
Okay.
6.
And in order to find the area now, we are not
Hmm.
going to add all the sides, right? Because that we do
Yeah.
in case of perimeter now. Okay.
Perimeter. Yes.
So how about we split it into two different shapes, right? Make it
Yeah.
two
That's
different
what we'll do.
rectangles, right? Exactly.
Hmm.
And then let's see if we can get the answer. Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So once again, I'll draw the figure. Okay. Divided from the starting point of 6 centimeters, like into two parts. Part
Like we
one.
can, let's
Yeah.
try to divide it from here, suppose, right?
Okay. So 10
Okay.
minus 6 equals 4. So the breadth is 4 centimeters.
For this much is going to be 4. Very good. So for this one we have
So
already
above
got.
will
That is
also be
9 into
4.
4.
9 into 4 is 36.
And this one is going to be 6 into 2 now.
Yes.
Why so?
Which is
Because this much is given. 6, and that is 2. 6 into 2, and that is 9 into 4.
9 4, yes.
So that is 36 plus 12.
12, which is 48.
Option number A. Right?
Yes.
It was
Yeah.
easy.
So
Do
very
this
neat.
question.
7 minus 1 equals 6, so the missing side is 6.
6, very good.
1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 17 plus 5 equals 17. 18, 19, 20,
20,
21, 22.
22 centimeters. So thereby that is option number C. Very good.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now in the beginning, like you told me, tables till 14, I think only, right? Until 14 or maybe 6, still 15. Okay, only some from 15. Now you continue with the table of 16.
Okay. So I'm adding quickly. Sir, can I quickly drink water?
Yeah, sure, sure. No need to ask permission for such things.
Okay. One second. Sir, I'm back.
Yeah.
Okay. So from uh 16, right?
Yeah, from 16 you are going to continue.
Okay. So 16 one's 16. 16 was 30. 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 six are 90. Yeah, 96.
Hmm.
16 sevens are 100 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 114. 144. And 6 tens are 160.
17.
17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 six are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. And 79s are 150. What was it?
53.
153. Oh, okay. And 17 tens are 170.
18.
18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 fours are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 six are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 160. 162, and 18 tens are 180.
Correct.
19th table I haven't memorized.
You haven't memorized it. Okay. So 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. Okay, 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 six are 114. Okay. 19 19 six are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. Okay. 99s are 171.
171
And
and
19 tens are 190.
90.
Okay. So
Okay, I
so
understand.
make